The MA in Education and Technology program at Center of Excellence in Teacher Education at Tata Institute of Social Sciences is a very unique program and one of its kind in the nation. It's unique because it brings holistic perspective from different areas in education and also technology. For example, in this program, we talk about and we practice technology-enabled pedagogy. We discuss about critical pedagogy. It brings design-based thinking, research in the area of education technology, and very importantly, it also goes into the depth of opportunities and challenges in adoption and implementation of education technology, not only in the K-12 area but also in the higher education. This program was developed within a consortium of international and national experts in the area of education technology, and also feedback from few governments about their implementation in education technology. And this national and international perspective in the planning phase is also reflected in the faculty who teach. Like, for example, the faculty who teach this program not only come from academia but also comes from industry, and also comes from research in international arena in the area of education technology. A very unique perspective of education technology program here is also it also covers the policy and the issues in Indian scenario in education technology program. So this holistic perspective in education technology becomes very important for the aspiring students to deal with it, to think deeply about it, and also experience it in a very authentic way when they engage with the curriculum and assessment in the program. This is a one-year program with 42 credits. It is designed for working professionals, but it also is open to engage with aspiring professionals in the area of education technology. The curriculum and the assessment brings academic knowledge, it brings contemporary research, it also brings international perspective and a lot of global experts in the area of education technology. Very importantly, the curriculum and assessment are authentic, and it allows the students to immerse their practice and their work environment while they engage in the knowledge and the experience in the area of education technology.